what-if sketches for use in comic or tragic scenes. There will also be a pause when you can enjoy the wonderful art exposition here.
So our theme for the sketch is listening to music with friends, and the title is Melodies in Makeup.
Darn thing won't turn on. Have y'all ever seen such a box thing?
Can say I have, Scout.
Hello, Scout. Hello, Blue. Can I assist with the music selection today? What is it?
Now please welcome the dance lesson sketch.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We shall not walk from this incident. After the sun also doesn't stop shining, when the moon shadows.
The book club sketch.
And the fish wants to Claudius to go first.
I want to be king forever, be strong forever, and be all powerful.
I want to be the best football player. I want a big house and to be able to do a backflip.
Please welcome at the checkout in the drugstore sketch.
I am a rights activist and now I have become a producer.
So, my name is Ruth Morse and I'm from Nobel Martin Eden, and I'm Martin's Eden girlfriend.
I'm Charmaine London. I am Jack London's second wife. I'm also a writer and a horseback rider.
I'm Holden Caulfield from the book Catcher in the Rye.
Oh, hey Charmaine.
Oh, hi, Ruth.
Haven't seen you for a while. Do you want to go for a walk and later catch up?
Yes, it's been a while since I last seen you. So how are you these days?
Well, it has been a rough year for me. I have been studying.
Give it away to at the doctor's appointment sketch.
I have a really big problem for you.
What is it?
You're not pregnant. You're just fat.
We've tried the 15th time.
It might be because of my drinking.
It might be because of my theater addiction. I spend all of my nights in the theater.
I will run some more tests.
Yes, please do.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. That was at the checkout, and now please welcome at the job interview sketch.
Our story is at a job interview. I'm Martin Eden, a young sailor from a story Martin Eden.
I am still K-pop from a story named 20 years ago by Owen.
I am JV Salinger. I am a
What are
writer.
you doing? You're so childish all the time. I just can't. I have to run.
Excuse me?
Not his problem. I am here to meet an old friend, Jimmy.
He has the best vote for the audience. Congratulations and thank you. Now we will give floor to the 10th grade critics to evaluate the sketches and announce their votes.
And I feel like she was a good actor, and she also had the accent that Blue Broadway had, but I feel like she was more like social than Blue Radley should actually have been. So about the second group, I would say
Was Jack Sparrow acting and also the writer, the editor. I think they did really good job with the emotions and show how really they...
Thank you, dear 11th graders. And now the critics, please go out and evaluate and vote. And like before, we will also have the audience vote for the best sketch. So I'll ask the groups to stand up once more, and with applaudissements, we will vote these steps, please.
Good language. I thought that they had like a good script for everything. They really thought it out and understood what each one had to do.
Maybe some improvements and what could be better next time. All of them were structurally good. They didn't really miss anything.
Ļoti priecīga un nevis pārsteigta, bet gandarīta par to, cik viņi aktieri, cik tie, kas ir spēlējuši visu šo laiku līdz 10. un 11. klasē kopā bijuši mani teātros stundās, ka tie spēja ar lielu aktieru meistarību nospēlēt to, ko viņi iedzīvoties tajā tēlā, ko viņi ir izveidojuši.
Pirmkārt, tas, ka atnāca skatītāji. Skatītāji vienmēr ir ļoti svarīgi, jo citādāk, kam tad mēs uzstājamies sev par prieku. Galvenokārt, jo mēs gribam parādīt kaut ko mēs mākam, kas mums pašiem patīk. Galvenais ir arī, ka viņiem patika tas, ko viņi darīja. Es redzēju, ka viņi pilnīgi bija tā arī tajā visā iekšā. Viņiem bija bail varbūt dažkārt, bet viņiem galvenokārt bija tā sajūta. Jā, es to varu, es to gribu, man izdodās. Un visi pārējie to redz arī. Tas ir tas viņu spēks, ka viņi notic sev.